let this be length be L. This is L. Dipole momentum of this be M. And the pole strength M0, M0 and M0. Now I want at point P2. What is the magnetic field strength? Okay, let's get into this one. Due to positive charge, the field should be away. And due to negative charge, the field should be directed towards the negative charge. So this will be due to Bn, due to Bs. So let this angle be theta, this angle be theta. So the resultant field, how it will be? It will be directed along negative x-axis or opposite to m bar, the resultant field. So that the resultant field is given by Bp2, and we know magnetic field Bn and Bs, how much it is? So let this be y, let this be r. That should be equal to mu naught m naught 4 pi r square. Okay, the resultant field Bp2 is equal to 2Bn cos theta. What is cos theta? I think L by R. So mu naught 2L m naught. Let me arrange things. So 4 pi r cube. So 2L m naught is what? Dipole moment. So this will become mu naught m by 4 pi r cube. Or if I substitute further, or so let it be this one. So what is R? R will be y square plus L square to the power of 3 by 2. This is the thing. So for a short bar magnet, Y will be greater than L. For short bar magnet, L will be very much less than Y, or Y will be greater than L. So then the magnetic field will become mu naught M by 4 pi by Q. So I think it's quite very simple, no? 2 times. So what you calculate field at a distance, say like a R, or say like a distance S. Here, and also this, say let it be at a distance 1 meter. I'll calculate field. Again, on the equatorial line 1 meter. The field here will be twice of this particular field. At all points on equatorial line, how the B bar will be opposite to M bar. At all points on axial line, the B bar will be in the direction of M bar. So like this, what happen? We'll get a basic necessity condition. Okay, now this one. So these formulas you do remember now. Okay, now can we find out field anywhere? How to calculate field anywhere? Again, you have to get into the mathematics. So instead, this what happen? Already we know some electric dipole, if you remember. Those ideas I'll bring it so that I'll find out the field anywhere. So if you look at the JEE mains, I think 1 year he has asked the field here, but in NCERT or SMA, nowhere we have any discussion on them. He is asking somewhere field a random point here. For that, what you should do, I think in exam you can't manage, means the field due to this, due to North Pole, due to South Pole, then vector, cosine rule you have to apply. Not possible. So therefore, better let's have one formula. So that will be on safer side, because books they have discussed only on axial line and equatorial line. But in exam they have asked means somewhere here also. But NCERT book, nothing, no description of that other than axial equatorial line. So you can't just read alone NCERT book and say that, sir, I read NCERT book. Okay, fine, sir. So this is what happens once your JEE mains exams approaches, no, Administrators will come and tell that read NCERT book, because if you read NCERT book, then JEE means you can master it. That may happen in other subject, not in physics. You look at the JEE means, of course, we follow NCERT book, but NCERT book alone will not help us. You look at the questions, around 40% of questions which are not related to NCERT, means application oriented, which are not being described in NCERT. Toppling, you see how much they describe in NCERT, one paragraph. But I can ask you any question of toppling, no? So physics, what happened? Try to see that because what will happen? See, you are in a big mess. Once exam comes, no, suddenly an admission will come. Read NCERT book. Then what you start reading NCERT. Very first time when you start reading NCERT book, it's very difficult for you to follow that language, and you'll waste your resources in what trying to understand what he's saying. And already teacher has discussed everything. So last moment reading NCERT, try to avoid. If you're reading now, okay, problem. Make practice of reading now only, but not last moment. But if you just read NCERT book, then you'll get a better rank. Not possible. You look at all CBSE students. Over the whole 2 years, every day they read. So I think if you go for Kendriya Vidyalaya, some CBSE schools are there, no? That one. Every day, what happened? They'll read NCERT book. What about the rank? Sufficient rank is not coming. No? The reason, see, reading theory and solving numerical are two different aspects of students. Are two different aspects. That one. So if you do one, the other one will come. Nothing like that. So just mere reading NCERT again will not help you. You have to read theory, then again you have to practice numericals. I'm making clear. Last moment reading NCERT you have to avoid. So shall I say goodbye to NCERT? As a teacher, what you can say? Yes, you can do that. Sir, I have integrated book, I'll read that only. Yes, carry on, but carry on only that. If you want, you can do numericals in NCERT. Solved example, that one. But last minute reading NCERT, you have to avoid. So there's one plan I'm telling you. So don't get deviated. This is a biggest problem, because once exams come now, your approach will change. You'll be under pressure. Some XYZ will tell something and you'll try to follow it, but nothing to do that one.